In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video in Elementor. By the end, you'll have a YouTube video smoothly integrated on your WordPress page using Elementor with no coding required. We'll keep it simple. Copy your video link, open the Elementor editor, add the video widget, and paste the link. I'll also share a few helpful tips so your video looks great and loads quickly. First, copy your YouTube link. Head over to YouTube and open the video you want to embed. Click the share button beneath the video, then choose Copy Link. This gives you a clean URL that Elementor recognizes immediately. If your link includes a timestamp, Elementor will respect it. But if you don't want the video to start later, make sure you copy a standard link without extra parameters. Next, open the Elementor editor. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page where you want the video to appear and click Edit with Elementor. Give the page a moment to load the visual builder. You'll see your live preview on the right and the Elementor panel on the left. Now add the video widget. In the left panel, look for the video widget by scrolling or typing video into the search bar. Click and drag the video widget onto your page where you want the video to sit, inside a section or a specific column. Elementor supports YouTube directly, so you don't need any embed codes or iframes. Just place the widget and you're ready to connect your video. Finally, paste your YouTube URL. With the video widget selected, look at the left panel under the Content tab. Set the source to YouTube if it isn't already, then paste your copied link into the URL field. The video should appear instantly in the preview. If it doesn't, double-check that the link is complete and that you have an internet connection in the editor. While you're here, take a moment to fine-tune the playback. In the same panel, you can adjust options like autoplay, mute, loop, and player controls. Keep in mind that most browsers only allow autoplay if the video is muted, so if you enable autoplay, toggle mute as well. For a smoother user experience, consider turning on lazy load to improve page performance, especially if you have multiple videos. You can also adjust the aspect ratio to keep your layout consistent across devices. That's it. Copy the link, open Elementor, add the video widget, and paste the URL. Click Update to save your changes, and view the page on the front end to confirm everything looks perfect. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Elementor.